Now let us see the 88th question. The product formed in the following chemical reaction is. What is the product formed in the chemical reaction? We all know that sodium borohydride is an reducing agent. It reduces aldehydes to alcohols. It is not reduces the ester to alcohols. This is the one difference between lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Here, lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. It can reduce esters to alcohols. This ester part is remains in the reaction. Okay, now let us verify the options. Here, ester part is remains. Here, ester is converted to alcohol. You can easily eliminate the option 2. Why? Because we just discussed that sodium borohydride does not react with esters. Here, esters converted into alcohols. This option will also be eliminated. Here also, esters converted to secondary alcohols. This option is also eliminated. One is our correct answer. Why? Because sodium borohydride is only reduces aldehydes to alcohol. It does not reduce the ester group. That's why ketone is reduced to alcohol. So option 1 is the correct answer.